Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, all while training these two guys to trade. My two apprentices, CB2 and AB. Today's adventure, an Ultra. I've been here quite a few times, but as per tech support, we're going to be installing a mixing valve and a thermal expansion tank to stop the problems we're having. Today's adventure is CB2 at the helm while I watch him train AB1.
Check that.
Check that. Today.
Oh my god.
Today. I'm so happy that the squad is together. Look at them. They're squirming. We'll see you at the job. Alright, here's what we got. My problem child. We're going to be putting a thermostatic mixing valve in here as per option of Weil Mclain page 6 of the installation process for the Ultra. We're also going to put in a thermal expansion tank to stop the gravitation of hot water into the cold water. And I believe this is going to fix my problem once and for all. One of the complaints is when they first get up, hot water comes out of cold, and I just tried cleaning these blueberries and the water is definitely hot. So this is going to solve that problem. The thermostatic mixing valve, expansion tank, and this water is still hot. And it's the cold water side, so definitely a problem here. The problem is this to me, that this thing worked for 3 years, 4 years before this started happening, which is weird. Cold water coming in, oh, matter of fact, it's still warm. This is the cold water coming into the system, so we're going to put a mixing valve, which will feed, I'll show you when we pipe it, mixing valve and expansion tank on the domestic cold. And it should solve the problem according to tech support. And we're also going to have to put in 2 traps to stop it from gravitating according to tech support. So these 3 things should work. In the meantime, I got the A team here. God help me. How do I a magic marker? You can pull this bucket out the way too, dude. And a pair of gloves, please. Here's a little change of plans. I'm going to put the mixing valve right here. This will be the cold coming in. We got to start somewhere. This is my start point. So here's what we do. Right here. Cold coming in. I'm going to put it around the cold feed. Hot's going to come around and in. So I got to put a T here, pick up the cold 3/4 T. That will feed the heater. This will pick up the mixing valve. The hot, instead of going in this pipe, the hot comes around here, ties into the hot side, and then this is going to go to the rest of the house as a mixed controlled temperature line. In the meantime, we got to make the loop and the loop, and then put an expansion tank in here also. Piece 2 3/4.
2 3/4?
Yep.
That pencil.
There's another one in my bag. Find your own tape and pencil, please. There's extra tape in there. There's more pencils, okay? All right. You got an extra one? All right, cool. Always have your tape measure and Pencil, pal. Can I see another 3/4 T, Angelo? And the expansion tank. Yeah, 3/4 T, please. You see we got tight quarters here. I gotta get a thermostatic valve on here, an expansion tank, and have a 12-inch trap. This is going to be a little bit of a task, but we're going to get her done. There ain't no doubt. I got both young bucks with me today. A little hard to keep them both going. Let's see what we got. Gonna go something like this. Boom. So I'm gonna just under that copper pipe, right? Where's the mix? This pipe is gonna come to here, and the hot's gonna go to this. This is the mix, this is the hot. Make both these pieces, Chuck, on the mixing valve. Cut these both. Here, I'll mark them for you. I want them 3 inches. You didn't sand it again. Come on, man. Every piece gets sanded, okay? You're the cut man. Ask Poppy what the cut man is. You know what the cut man is? Fixes cuts. Ah, look what you cut. Look what's on here. Tape. Now this is why I always tell you, don't cut the tape or the sticker, because it's that much harder to clean. You know what I'm saying?
You got another piece?
Nah, I'm just going to clean it. It comes off, but it's just that much harder to get off. The apprentices out there, no stickers or tape on the cut, because you got to clean it off. All right, AB, here we go, baby. Here's my thing. I gotta come down with the trap. Watch it. Oh, watch this crazy maneuver right here, Ange. Hand me the tank. I'll make the trap right here, right? I'm gonna come across. I like that. Give me a piece of pipe. 6 inches, please. 6 inches. 6 inches. Then I'll come down. I'll make the trap. I'm gonna put a T right here for the expansion tank. I'm gonna drop it down. That's gonna be my 12-inch thing, and then we'll come back up. I just wanna welcome back CB2. CB2's been sick.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
The fans have missed you. A piece 3.
So another 6 inch.
Another 6 and a 3. We're gonna make this 12 inches definitely. I need a female adapter. Grab a female adapter truck. So I'm gonna screw this tank right in, and that's gonna be our trap and our expansion tank connection. And then we're gonna pro press this up. Again, very hard. Keeping 2 apprentices going when we're all just learning. It's pretty. It's fun though. I'm not gonna sweat it, even though I am sweating right now. But it's all good. Here we go, Chuck. Come on, Palsy. Today. We hit it with it today. Thank you. Now look, here's what we got. This is gonna be crazy looking. It's gonna be crazy looking. Expansion tank coming down. It's gonna be our trap, and then coming back up. Our trap will be done. Yeah, give me 2 12s. I like that, Chuck. Look at him, Supervisor Chuck, commanding 2 12-inch pieces. Today.
I wouldn't want to not saying that for you.
Come on, man. What is that?
You're rushing me.
No, I'm not. Okay, she can get both sides. Thank you. All right. CB, get ready to pro press all this. Cause this is crazy looking. Oh, all right now.
You want to hit some of them right there?
Here's what I want you to
And
do.
I'll come right here and hold them.
Let's press this up. Pre-press this. So watch this. Here we go. Boom. Now, Angelo, you got 2 little scraps of pipe? Bring them in here, please, because I don't want to mess this up. We'll do one at a time. So. Beautiful. Now, can you imagine soldering all this stuff? You'll see in a second. You know what I'm saying right here? Let's get the expansion tank. I just want to double check this before we put it in. So this is going to go like so. Bang. Perfect. Let me start from the back and come work my way out.
Yeah.
So you can let the gun just take the weight on the jaw. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even holding that. So now I'm just going to make sure it's straight. Everything's in. Alright. We pressed these already, right? Yep. Time out. Make sure. Alright, it's cool. Go ahead. You're good. I'm sorry. I just want to make sure it's the right one. This T is going to be tough to get, so let me prefab this T right here.
Both sides?
Yep. Close that door, those air conditioner will stay in here too. Alright? See, I wouldn't be able to pro press that over there. Oh.
You put that there.
Yeah, but you didn't know I know I'm standing in front of it. Big cameraman. Alright. Here we go.
Hold that up.
Now watch this. I'm gonna let the jaw do the work. See how it's holding on? Push. Is this one done? That one's not done. I did this one, right?
You did.
I did? Oh, there we go. Alright.
You do the other part of the 90?
This one?
Yeah.
Yes. That's definitely done. That's definitely done. Alright. A lot of joints. Alright. Teflon up that expansion tank. Make it a piece 14. This is the mix. Alright, so look, we'll go like this. Boom. And come around this way, Chuck. Oh, yeah. Am I bleeding again?
No, you're not bleeding.
Is that something funny? Something's funny. Something's funny. Something's funny right here. You know what's funny? You're both standing around doing nothing.
You just cut that piece.
Okay? Go clean the truck. I don't know what's funny, but I'll tell you one thing. It's funny when they dig. Alright. Dog, you hear the dog in there barking?
Yeah, that's a dog.
Yeah, it's a dog.
Get a dog.
Yeah, let me get a dog. Alright.
Dog is right
Yeah, that's what I was doing right 2 12s.
What's that door?
This is the hot. Alright. Oh, there goes our trap on the hotline. Alright, come here.
Yeah.
Press this. Make a material list of what we need, alright? That's real funny. Let's do this.
Imagine if it doesn't work after this.
I better work. They're gonna go crazy if it doesn't work. I hate to put this way out here, but I could go here.
You need 45s?
No, I'm making my trap. Give me a piece 7-inch. If I hit my head one more frickin' time on this pipe. All right, Charlie. Give me a piece of pipe. Oh, all right. Go ahead. I'll slow down a sec. Give me a piece 3 1/4, Chuck.
Yeah.
Now we got 2 pipe cutters going. We'll see if I can keep them busy without screwing this whole thing up. This is for the trap. Did you give me a 12? Oh, he's cut me a 12 1/4. Cut that, clean that up. What do you got, Charles?
3 1/2.
Boom. 90 on it?
No.
I need I was trying to go on the wrong one. Let's not get crazy. How's that look? Does that look like crap? Chucky, let's press this up. Hold on. Pro press.
Am I good where I am now?
You're good. Don't move. I'll keep double checking. Make sure everything's in. Alright. That's the mix. Okay. This one's already done. Do this one. This one's done already, and that one's done. It's got to get the one in the back.
So where's that next pipe gonna go?
This one?
Yeah.
Right into this.
Oh, okay.
Alright? This is the hot to the rest of the house. And this comes out controlled temperature. I can still move this. I can loosen these 2 nuts and straighten this out. Right now it's a little crooked. Let me get this back here. You wouldn't believe how much this room would be filled with smoke if I was soldering. quarter.
P and a quarter.
What? Come back in here.
Let me double check this.
What's that?
P and a quarter.
8
Also a piece. I'm gonna measure the ceiling now, Angelo. -5. Piece 3.5 too, Chuck. 3.5, Angelo. Chucky. Make it 8.5, Chuck, if you didn't cut it yet.
I have 9 right here.
9's too much. Make it 8.5.
I'm 3.5.
Wait for Angelo.
9. You have 1? Alright.
Yeah, I got 3 right here. Oh, I need one more. Okay. Sorry. I got one up here. You put them in a tray, okay?
Just drop one. You need one back?
No, I got one right here. Yeah, I'm good. Isn't this fun?
I think it's on your head.
What's a little dirt? At least it ain't blood. That was almost blood if I fell.
I would have cost you, CB.
Oh, come on, man. Oh! Alright.
Press.
You have press back there?
Yeah, he's got it.
Yep. Alright, CB. Get in here.
Get it.
Get it. Right here.
I see where.
1, 2, 3. All these around, alright? We want the CB in action. We missed you. We missed you, CB.
Good thing I'm short.
Just make sure everything's in, okay?
You got this one already?
I don't know. Just hit him again. It don't matter.
That's pretty proud.
Now we're doing that. The ice cream thing. Should I start cleaning like that? So what does this do actually?
The cold pipe. Absorbs the expansion. Alright, CB, double check all them joints for me, even if press. Just make sure you do the finger test, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Is this one done? This one's not even done. It's done now. I don't
Give me
think
it right now. Just do it. I don't see like any
No.
creases. In purpose.
Good eyes, Chuck. Just double check them all, okay? Show you Angelo what you're doing.
Take this. Pretty much use a hexagon on all of them. Just feeling it. It's like right here. So I'll really barely see like those corners.
Oh, yeah, because that's what the
Yeah.
makes sense. Oh, yeah, I can see it now.
Some you can see. All purpose different. Expansion tank, or you got it?
No, go ahead.
Here's another 1, 2.
Alright.
Save some plugged in for the next job, jeez.
Did you put the Teflon on right? Or did you go the wrong way?
You did the right way.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if you did. Alright. So here's what we'll do. A little extra pipe down. Alright. There you go. Slam it in there, CB. It should just slide right in real nicey, CB. Here, you want a stool?
No.
You should catch. There you
Got
go, boy!
CB!
Hand tie should be good, dude. You got a little crank with a pair of pliers. Here, hold
Let's
on.
get a picture in front.
Yeah! I like that. CB going for the aesthetics. He wants the Mr. Watts up front. We are now ready for water. We're just gonna snug up everything here on our Honeywell Thermostatic temperature control valve. Boom. We try the boiler drain off on the bottom. Let's turn this off here. Chucky, real slow, okay, with the water meter. Go shut the water off. I don't know what this that is leaking, but it's not right. So we're going to take that handle off and see what we got. Where? On this Honeywell. So hopefully it's just a packing on it here. Alright. I don't know what. Could be leaking.
Where's it got? It's just
I'll tell you what, hand me a trash can, alright? I want you to turn the water back on.
that bucket.
Alright. You checked all these joints, correct, Chucky?
Yeah.
You sure, right?
You want me to turn the water on?
Yeah, go ahead, real slow again. Give me the bucket. I don't know what this is. Behind this handle. That's what I had.
Oh, that thing?
Yeah. I don't know if what's happening here. Here, hold on 1 second. Hold that bucket. You ain't gonna hold it there. Just make sure it's just. Ah, hopefully that was it. Now why would that come as a leak, man? I mean, come on. You gotta be kidding me.
I thought I saw it spraying from the back when I was running away. Is that thing on? Like the valve open?
I think it is on. Tell me to shut it off. What the f is this, man?
Gonna take it.
Tell me to shut the water off. I mean, plumbing's hard enough. Now I gotta deal with fighting with whatever's wrong with this. I mean, what the fudge? You know what I'm saying, dude? I don't need a bucket. I don't know how much. Do me a favor. Go down underneath here, see where that hose is connected, and open that up. Just turn the boiler drain on.
You take the hose off, right?
No, turn the boiler drain on. Good. Turn that valve that's on. See it? See where the hose is connected?
Oh, my.
Yeah, just open that up. This way it'll drain the bottom of this line out. Alright?
That should be on.
There's no washer in here.
I had a feeling there wasn't going to be a washer in there. Do we have an extra one that could fit?
No, I gotta go to the supply house. I mean, are you kidding me, dude? Are you kidding me? That's such bullshit, man. Oh, god damn it. We had discovered that this mixing valve is missing an O-ring. So someone got the O-ring and stole it out of the box. No O-ring at all in there. It's missing. So we had to go get another valve, and we're going to replace it. I'm going to take this back to the supply house. So I could actually make this 2 videos, how to change a Honeywell mixing valve, since I got to do it right after I put it in. Look, here you go, guys.
Yeah, bucket in there.
No, but give me one, please. Just in case we get a little spillage. Give me the trash can. Just set the trash can down there, dude. Ain't no sense in having, you know what I mean? Get that one we had, alright? It's a real simple change out, man. Alright. 1, 2. Don't, oh, there's the washer. Don't drop the washer. 3 washers. Alright. In here still. 2. And 3.
You're gonna get the water?
Not yet. Alright. There we go. Alright, here we go. You ain't gotta go crazy on this here. Here we go again. Much better, no leak. Go to the apartment, run hot and cold water everywhere. Yep. Alright, right now Chuck B, turn the water on. We have no drippy. Minor setback, but there's a leak. They're all leaking. Just can't get out of the shop, dude. Give me the Teflon and a pipe tube. No, tell them to come in here for a sec.
Tell them to get running?
Yeah, tell them to come in. Tell Chucky, come here. Yeah? We got 3 leaks. Where? Adapter, and adapter. So now I gotta shut the water back off. Thank God that's a union. Re-Teflon them and re-dope them. Okay? Let me shut it back off. Alright? Happens to the best of us, CB. Come here, look. Here's all we gotta do. There's a possibility I could tighten it. I could tighten it right in place, but I'm not going. I'm gonna take them off and dope the crap out of them. You know what I mean? And Teflon them. We'll pipe dope and Teflon them. Alright? One at a time. It ain't gonna take that long. We've all done this. No big deal. But this union right here, just like changing this thermostat valve, is key to making this quick fix. Bring me that trash can back, Ange. Now I know I always Teflon and pipe dope. Didn't I tell you just do Teflon?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, anymore, I'm doing both. Alright? So look. That's one. Now, if I gotta get a pipe wrench on that, I will. Alright, there's one. Alright. Now, two. Again. You just did Teflon on both of them, right?
Yeah.
What? Can't hear you. Yeah, I had to turn it back off.
Alright, good.
Alright.
There was all yellow stuff coming up in my tub. Is that okay? One of the old tubs? The one I never use? Like
Yeah, it's probably old,
water. Okay.
yeah.
No problem.
Alright.
I got it.
Chuck, make sure you turn that water on slow. Alright, buddy. I mean, real slow. She's got old iron plate water lines here. We don't need to start fixing the iron plate water lines. You know, over there, Mrs. Yost, remember?
Yeah.
We don't want that, right? No, no. Alright, that's that. Alright, now. Give me this joker right here. Alright, CB. You want to do the next one?
You want?
Want me to power it? Want me to power through? I say we power through
Let's just
and learn our lesson, and next time we'll not listen to me. We'll do both pipe dope and Teffy, alright? Beautiful. It'll work. Speaking of it'll work, we're going back to Georgia job soon.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Yep. Alright. See, I just keep it on loose like so, right? Now it's nice and loose, now I can keep it straight and work with what I got here. And just hold back on the Pro Press male adapter and crank her home. Alright. Oh, it does go on pretty far, I'll tell you that. That was my knuckle. Another episode. We'll do that one tomorrow at work. Alright, snug that. Alright, CB. Third and final one. And again, I could possibly power it, tighten it up. But well, I turn the water off and on twice if it's going to leak, you know what I mean? So, alright. Am I going to get wet here? I might. Thank you, CB. nice and tight too, Chuck. You know, when you pull it tight. I'm actually pulling it in the thread, alright? Now. There we go. I just hope after all this is my last trip here. I swear to God. I'm so friggin' tired of coming here.
Been saying it for months.
I know. Power right, please. Man. There we go. Ain't nothing like water running down your elbow. Favorite line, Angelo? Chuck, don't cross thread it. And this is what we don't want to do right here. There we go, we got it. Oh, there it is. Alright, CB. Real slow, alright? Real slow, big boy. Real slow. I'm not kidding, baby. All right. All right. Let's hope we don't need wrenches. All right. See me putting the water on. We're bleeding out again, and we're just waiting. Wait. Make it look nicey nice. Alright, we're good to go. Now, we're going to turn the heater back on. Oh, Lord. Little minor setback. As you know, we all have leaks. CB was a little upset with his leak, but not but a thing. 100 degrees here. So we're going to use our electronic thermometer to give them 120. So according to the instructions, you got to pop this handle off. Okay, I'm back on the scene of the crime here. What I did is I dropped off my helpers to lunch. They had to work a half day because of some other issues they had going on today, and I let the heater catch up the temperature. So now let's see if we can get this thing adjusted to a good temperature at the sink faucet. I'm hoping this is the final step of my journey here. I'll be honest with you, I'm so friggin' tired of coming here, it's ridiculous. Here comes the hot water. We're 102, 110, 121. I'm going to turn it down. 130. 132. My glasses are actually fogged up, so I'm actually going to roll that back a little bit. So we're going to go back a quarter turn. Right there. gonna go quarter. That water's hot. Ooh, that's really hot coming in. Cold coming in. Alright, so this should work right away. If this thermostat valve works correctly. Here we go. $117, $120, $121, $122, $121, $119, $117. $126, $130, $31, $32, $33. Now we're back to the original setting, so let's go see what this does. Come on, man. 132 still. So, you're gonna love this. After my faulty part, I go back and get another one. Thermostatic control is missing the O-ring. After the 3 leaks by CB2, no big deal. We're all human, right? I put that thermostat valve back on. I put it on backwards. Hot, cold mix. This is the cold, this is the hot. Can you tell I'm tired of being at this damn job? No wonder I can't adjust the temperature. But thank God we have unions, right? Unbelievable. I even gotta laugh at this one. I even gotta laugh at this one. But look at this, watch this maneuver right here. I hope I can do it. I'm gonna roll it right around. Oh! Oh! Don't let the washer go into the refrigerator. Here we go. Bang! I'll be honest with you. I love plumbing. That's why you can't get mad at a leak from The Apprentice, because look what I just did. I just screwed up. And another quick fix. Oh Lord. This is one doozy. Alright. Let's see what we can do now. Maybe we can adjust the temperature now, because I could not adjust the temperature before. I wonder why. It was on backwards. Alright, I got the valve in right now. Here's the temperature. A balmy 84. Let's go a quarter turn. I'm gonna go half a turn. There we go. Let's see what that does for us. Hot coming in, cold properly, mix coming out. 90. Oh. 115, 120, 123, 125, too hot, too hot. 125. That's what I want to keep it at. I just did discover I was doing something wrong here. Here's the only part for today. So you gotta take the handle off and then adjust this. Like so. Alright. I was tightening it. I actually loosened this whole thing up, so. Right now we're set at 125. I'm gonna We'll put this at 125 also. Oh boy. Okay. And by golly, I hope that is it. In addition to all the work we just did, we put in 16 more 3/4 90s, 2 3/4 T's, 2 3/4 couplings, a Watts expansion tank, 5 to 8 foot of pipe. All to stop fluctuation of hot water and running out of hot water.